Hurt in the fall and worried about bills piling up? Let's fix that. Number one, slip and fall cases are what's called premises liability cases. Basically, you were hurt on somebody else's property due to their negligence. Every slip and fall case has at least three components. There has to be a hazard, whether that's a leaky freezer, improperly plowed sidewalk, not applying salt on common area walkways. There's almost unlimited ways a premises liability can arise. The second requirement is notice. The property owner knew or should have known about the hazard for the people that are on the premises. And the third requirement, there has to be an injury. So the person was at the property and they hurt themselves, whether they were at the grocery store and they slipped and fell because of a leaky freezer, whether they're going into a big box store and they didn't properly put down the salt, the person slipped and fell. There has to be some sort of injury. And those are the three main parts of a slip and fall case here in the great state of Indiana. Typically, the evidence that I, as a lawyer, want to see, we want to see photographs, we want to see medical bills. We would love to have witness information, people that were with the person that was injured, whether that's bystanders, whether that's people that you were with, people that you know who came upon the scene, whatever. We love to have witnesses, pictures, medical records. We would like to know that the person called the store as soon as possible saying, hey, I was hurt at your location because X. There's all the little things we want here. Now, that's what I want. Doesn't mean I always get it because this isn't a perfect world. But that's the things, if I had a wish list, those are the things that I'd want. Now, in Indiana, the settlement range for a slip and fall is all over the place. Why? Well, because the injuries for slip and fall vary greatly. People that are older, people that are having some bone density issues, well, they fall. Typically, they're hurting themselves, getting fractures. They're getting broken bones. I mean, the litany goes on forever. Some people slip and fall, and they have some back pain. They have some major bruising. But the reality is, someone with a broken bone, a fractured bone, well, that case is worth more than someone that was mildly inconvenienced for a few days or even a few weeks. So there's a great range for slip and fall settlements. And the only way to figure that out is to call us. Give us a call, 317-632-3642. I understand slip and fall injuries are not fun. You weren't planning on dealing with a slip and fall. Now you got to deal with life plus these injuries. The reality is if you've been hurt in slip and fall, give us a call, 317-632-3642. Remember, insurance company is not your friend, but I can be.